Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so a couple of people have been asking me what preset am I using in Rocket League to make my car completely gold like this. I'm going to go over the preset I'm doing for you right now. I'm going to show you on your screen right now. So for the Fennec, I have the gold Fennec equipped right here. I'll have it set to none in the decals. We're not doing any decal. This is all paint. Okay, all paint. So for the paint finish, we're going to be using the anodized pearl on both blue and both orange. So for the primary, you're going to use the one on the very top left corner of your paint. So select that one on the very top left. Select the white as well for your accent. Accent has to be white to give it that nice little glow as well around the car. Okay, so on the orange team, instead of the top left one, you're going to select the one just right beside it. And of course, anodized pearl has to be selected. And of course, white on your accent for orange as well. I do say as well quite a lot. So yeah, you're going to hear that a lot in the live streams and of course in some videos as well. There you go. Okay, if you're interested in the wheels I'm using as well, yeah, Tonica wheels does go nice with the gold, I do find. So the Tonica wheels do suit that one as well. If you actually have these wheels, I would recommend these ones. No, where is it? Is it OEM? OEM, yeah. The OEM gold wheels actually do look nice as well. Oh my god, I keep saying as well. Anyway, Tonica wheels for this preset is perfect. I also have the standard lime boost equipped to this one, and I think it does look nice. The standard lime. The standard lime is very close to the alpha boost that you find. And the trail, I do have the trail to classic lime as well. Yes, the lime is kind of close to, you know, the gold. I don't have any gold trails. This is the closest I can get right here, right now. Okay, so yeah, I hope this helped you out. And a quick look to the Octane. The same settings are applied to the Octane as well. So yeah, the Octane, same settings applied as the Fennec. I do hope this helped you out. Thank you so very much for watching the video. And of course, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel while you're here. If you do enjoy the content, please do subscribe to the channel. Of course, from myself, Aaron Ryan, I will be seeing you on the live streams with, of course, the amazing girlfriend of mine, Trina. She does join me on the live streams as well, and of course in the videos. So if you do like the content on the channel, please do subscribe. And for members only content as well, do consider becoming a member today as well to unlock a lot of good content as well. Okay guys, from myself, Aaron Ryan, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye now.